Welcome to today's sweet episode. We're exploring the vital role sugar plays in baking. From tender textures to caramelized crusts, sugar's impact is undeniable. Sugar serves multiple purposes in baking. As a tenderizer, sugar helps break down gluten, creating tender textures. Moisture retainer. Sugar's hygroscopic nature attracts and retains moisture, which helps baked goods keep their moisture and prevents them from drying out too quickly. Sugar's moisture retaining properties improve shelf life. A browning agent. Sugar caramelizes to create golden brown crusts. Leavening. Sugar adds air to batters and doughs. It provides food for yeast fermentation, which causes the dough to rise. Stabilizing egg whites. Beating egg whites, yolks, or whole eggs with sugar makes them less likely to collapse. Let's take a look at the different types of sugar. Different sugars have unique properties. Granulated sugar, which is also known as white sugar, is ideal for baking. Brown sugar has a rich caramel-like flavor. Confectioner's sugar, also known as powdered sugar, is for a smooth finish. Honey and maple syrup are natural sweeteners with distinct flavors. Substituting sugar. When substituting sugar with honey and maple syrup, use a 1:1 ratio. You may also substitute using agave nectar. You have to reduce the liquid content in your recipe. Stevia and erythritol. We adjust the quantities according to the manufacturer's instructions. Now that's the sweet truth of sugar in baking. Understand its role and your baked goods will thank you. Thank you for watching. For more tips on baking, click on the subscribe button and you won't miss out on the next one. Sweet baking.